we are going to do sustainable consumption and production program in food and beverages industry in Sri Lanka. We have already selected around 500 SMEs for the program. Finally, what we expect is to enhance the capacity building of these industries.
This project is to facilitate China urban administrations in sustainable procurement for the office facilities. And the project targets is to help these public procurement centers in China to introduce sustainability criteria in their tendering process, and then to achieve to buy more environmental friendly products.
It's very good to come here to have met different projects and to hear from them and discuss their experiences. One thing that I am personally looking forward to is getting aid to the activity that we're just going to do to come up with some kind of collaboration with the other projects in terms of doing relevant case studies. And the second is also getting some kind of feedback from the EC on the kind of work that we're doing.
We also need to look onto the poor and extremely poor ones. How can they get products which are sustainable? They're growing over time and they have a right to have a sustainable product. We need to look on the challenges, but also on the next steps. And the challenges are, for example, to see where are you in your project? What kind of support do you still need? And how can you already at the very early stage of your project start thinking about outreach dissemination as well? How can you build capacity in a regional context? Among 500 SMEs, we know it's quite difficult, it's a challenge, but maybe we can discuss also on the next days, what's your experience in this? How do you do it? And we have again a lot of experts here also who have done similar work, so they can give you some insight how they did.